Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Muhammad Nadeem Akhtar and you are watching now Nadeem Shahanvi's YouTube channel. Today in this interesting video we will discuss about of types of MCB, that how many types of MCB. So you are seeing here two types of MCB in this video. So you can see here this type is a B type, you can see in the video. This type of MCB, this is a B type, and second other is a two-pole MCB have a C type MCB. So today we will discuss about our types of MCB. Here is 5 types of MCB. First of all B type, second is C type, third is D type, and fourth number is a K type, and fifth number is a Z type. What is the definition of MCB? Here is MCB definition is here. MCB mean miniature circuit breaker. Miniature circuit breaker is an electromechanical device which protects an electric currents from an overcurrent. Then overcurrent in an electrical circuit overload or faulty design. Current rating are here mentioned in kiloampere. This MCB have current rating in kiloampere, and short circuit it mean then your MCB will be short circuit, that called kiloampere rating. Operating characteristics B, C, D, Z, K curves. The MCB have available in the market 0.5 ampere to 100 amperes. All MCB short circuit operating are in kiloampere. For overload operating, the have MCB is bimetallic strip, which one is you are showing in a picture. Bimetallic strip which cause the circuit to open. When your circuit will be overcurrent due to any reason, your MCB will be open. For your short circuit protection, it has an electromagnetic kind of thing you are seeing in a picture. Which one is electromagnetic? Here I am showing to something in the MCB. This MCB have some symbol in here. I have shown in drawing. You can see here. This one is called overload. Every MCB have this one symbol. This one is called overload, and this one is called overcurrent. When your MCB will be overcurrent, then this is like as coil. He create a electromagnetic field, and its reason this will be operate. After that your MCB will be tripped. If we will discuss about our tripping mechanism in the MCB has two types of tripping mechanism. First of all, thermal tripping, and second is a magnetic tripping. What is a thermal tripping? In this video I will discuss with you that what is a thermal tripping. The thermal trip unit protects against overcurrent. The thermal unit is a based bimetallic element located behind the circuit breaker trip bar and is part of the breaker current path. When there is an overload, the increased current flow hit the bimetallic, causing into the bend. As the bimetallic bends, it's pull the trip which open the circuit breaker methods. The time requires for the bimetallic to bend and trip the breaker varies inversely with the current. And second is magnetic tripper. The magnetic trip unit protects against a short circuit. The magnetic trip unit is compressed on electromagnetic and armature. Yes, my brothers and friends, there is 5 types of MCBs. First of all, B. We are seeing here, if we have one types of B and he have a 10 ampere, mean tripping current, and MCB have 2 types here, tripping current and operating time. Every MCB have 2 things. Here we will let 10 ampere tripping current, mean here we will be discuss about of B type. Here we will be show 10%, mean 10%, 3 of 10% 30 ampere, and 5% 50 ampere. Then we will be passed here 30 ampere and 50 ampere overload. This circuit breaker will be tripped, and this MCB types have a 0.4 second mean operating time. The B type of MCB, this type of MCB trips between 3 and 5 times full load current. If we will discuss about of uses of B type MCB, this one is a B type MCB. If we will discuss about of uses, The B-type devices are mainly used in residential appliances or light commercial appliances and application where connected load are primarily lighting and fixture. Domestic application with minor resistive element also used for computer and electronic equipment with very low inrush load like as PLC wiring, the surge current load and such as realty low. This MCB protects control of the circuit against overload and short circuit protection for pupil and big length cable in TN and IT system. If we will discuss about of application of this MCB is used in residential, commercial and industrial use. If we will discuss about of C-type MCB, this one is a C-type MCB. Here we will let 10 ampere in the C-type MCB. The tripping current in the C-type of MCB 5 to 10 ampere. Mean here is 10% of 5 ampere. Then he will be increased in 50 ampere and 100 ampere. If your MCB has been past 50 ampere and 100 ampere, then your MCB will be tripped in this MCB have a operating time you are seeing here 0.4 second to 5 second. And if we will discuss about of this MCB C-type, this C-type MCB trips between 5 to 10 times in the overload between I have also asked this there. This is used in commercial or industrial type of application where we have could be a chance of higher values of short circuit and short current in the circuit. The connected load are mainly inductive and nature. Inductive motors or fluorescent light application, inductive small and small transformers, lighting, pilots and devices and control circuits and other coils. This MCB this one is a C-type MCB. This MCB protects against overload, short circuit protection for the resistive and inductive load with low inrush current. If we will be discuss about of his application, this MCB is used in residential, commercial and industrial use. After that, third number is a D-type. If we will discuss about of D-type MCB, there is a tripping current and operating time. D-type have a 10 and 20 tripping current. His 10% will be increased 100 ampere and 20 ampere. He will be operating in 0.4 to 3 seconds. This will be 100% in case your MCB have a overload current. Then he will be tripped in 100 ampere and 20 ampere. Then if we will be discuss about of D-type MCB, these types of MCB between 10 to 20 times load of currents, and this MCB operating time 0.4 to 3 seconds. If we will discuss about of this MCB where we will use this MCB, these MCB are used in especially industrial commercial use where current inrush can be very high. For example, we have example in the transformer, X-ray machine and large winding motors, etc. and welding plants. You are welding. This MCB have a high ampere load. You are seeing here 20% have a here, sorry, I have right 20 here will be 200 ampere, mean 200 amperes. We have discussed about of this uses. This will be used in the high inductive motors, transformer and power supplies. These types of MCB are protection and control of circuits against overload, short circuit for the circuit between supply load with the high inrush current at the circuit closing, transformer breakdown lamps, etc. If we will discuss about of this MCB application, this MCB have used many types of residential and commercial and industrial types. If we will discuss about of K-type MCB, let's suppose we have 10 ampere K-type MCB. This will be tripping current have 8 to 12 ampere, mean here 80 ampere to 120 ampere, and this MCB have operating time less than 0.01 second This is a very sensitive MCB. This type of MCB trip between 8 to 12 times full load current. This MCB is suitable for inductive and motor loads with a high inrush current. A type of and D type curve breaker are both designed for motor application function of the K-type MCB and protection and control the circuit such as motor transformer and auxiliary circuit against overload and short circuit. It has also provided these best protection for two cable and lines. If we will discuss about of K-type MCB application where we have used this MCB, we have used this MCB in the commercial and industrial use. Commercial and industrial mean that you have very sensitive circuit like as PLC circuits and many other you have using the circuits in the factories or homes or your office. If we will discuss about of Z type of MCB, here we will expose that 10 ampere we have a 10 ampere Z type MCB, that how many times he will be tripped. So 10% of 2 ampere, 20 ampere and 3 ampere or 30 ampere. This is the current tripping current of Z type MCB. And if we will discuss about of operating time of this MCB, less than 0.1 second. This is also a very sensitive MCB. This type of MCB there between 2 and 3 times full load current, and operating time which I have also discussed with you less than 0.01 second. Then these type of MCB are highly sensitive to short circuit and overload and used for the protection and high sensitive devices such as semiconductor devices, which is a very sensitive devices, Z type MCB for operating. So we have discussed about our functions of Z type MCB protection and controls and the element circuit against weak and long duration overload and short circuits. This type of MCB used in the factories and other devices, very sensitive devices. If we will discuss about of this application of Z type MCB, this Z type of MCB is used in the commercial and industrial use. So friends, here we have discussed about of types of MCB, that how many types of MCB and where we have used these MCBs, and how you will be installed in your home, which type of MCB you will be installing in your home and appliances. And here is 5 types of MCB, which one? First of all, B type and C type and D type and K type and Z type. All types of I have discussed here with you. In the last of videos I have asking to you, if you have any confusion in the video, you can comment in the our video comment section, then we will be appreciate with you. And so please share and like this video with your friends. My friends, see you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.